Hey guys, Southern Cowman here. I've got Danny, the tractor guru. He's working on my old Ford 2000. What do you think, Danny? Piece of junk?
No, he's just stomped up.
That's the carburetor.
Yep, that's the carburetor.
That's a Holly carburetor.
Holly carburetor, sure is. Yep, I'll take it in and take it all the way apart and put it in the vat and cook it.
And Danny has worked on a few Ford tractors in his day, right, Danny?
Yes, sir. Started working on them in 1974.
1974. And you think this is a 65 model?
Somewhere along there, yeah.
So,
yep, somewhere along there.
So Danny took my carburetor off, and he's going to take it back to his house, and he's going to show it some love. I guess he's going to clean it and take it apart.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
But Danny's about as good as they come, guys. If you don't have somebody in your neighborhood like Danny, they're hard to find. It's a dying breed, ain't it, Danny?
Oh, yeah. It's hard to do it. A lot of people don't enjoy doing it, don't get into it. I'll just be honest with you.
That's right.
You got to enjoy your work. If you don't enjoy your work, I'll come back and get the carburetor on that rag just a minute. I'll get all this out there.
Well, Danny had that carburetor off in about, what, 5 minutes?
5 or 10, something like that. Yeah, something along there.
He's done it a time or two.
Yeah. I'll go back in and get that big screwdriver I had.
Danny keeps about 1,000 pounds of tools in his truck, in his car.
Oh, yeah.
But he's got everything a man needs to work on a tractor.
I've got to keep it in here that way so nobody won't steal it.
Surely not.
That way, but the truth's the truth.
Surely not.
Hey, you would not believe stuff that people would steal out of a vehicle. And I'm being honest with you.
Well, hopefully we'll get this tractor going, guys, and
Yeah, we'll have it may be this coming weekend, but yeah, we'll get it going. Yeah, we'll get it going. Oh yeah, we'll get it going. Oh yeah. I tried to get it going today, but I got to go to church and help them with the church.
Well,
do some work.
It's good to work at the church, ain't it, Danny?
Yes, sir. Oh yeah.
Well, I'm just glad it's not the fuel pump, because the fuel pump would have been a lot harder to get to. You got to take a few more things off. Lots of more things off, actually.
Hey, little man, I done found some of it.
What is it?
There's jet in here stopped up.
What does that mean exactly?
I'll show you how I get over. See out here, when it gets its air, that little tube in there.
Oh, yeah.
It's stopped up.
Well, that's gummed up good, ain't it?
Yeah, that's the reason I said I got to take it and cook it.
Looks like somebody's been running motor oil through that thing.
A little bit of everything, what it looks like. The way it looks, a little bit of everything.
This man can fix it, guys. He's worked on lots of tractors. It's hard to find people that'll work on older tractors now. Trust me. There's not many people in this county that works on them.
No, it goes out and does what I'm doing. No. Not going out doing what I'm doing.
A good man.
That's your way.
Well, I sure appreciate it. That thing looks pretty rough.
Oh, yeah. I told you, I said I'm going to take it home and clean it. And another thing I'm going to do, I had that turned down. I'm going to turn that up so we can get to this back adjusting your cable. You don't have to unhook the carburetor if you have to adjust your choke.
Smart.
See, that was turned all the way down.
Smart.
Yeah, you can see how gommed up it is.
Now, I read that the replacement carburetors was a different brand. It was like
It's a different type carburetor, yes. And somebody's been into this one. Because they use glue and stuff here on the gasket, but that don't hurt nothing. But, let's see here, man. I don't know if that there may be why it stopped up. I'm going to look back something. I don't know if somebody changed that or not. If they have, there ain't no screen on that.
There's a little screen.
Yeah, a little bit. I'll clean all that out real good. That's the reason I want to make sure. A lot of people take them off, cuts them off.
The screen?
Yeah.
Well, that protects your carburetor, right?
Yes, sir. That does protect you. But a lot of them don't pay that much attention to it. They'll cut that screen off instead of cleaning it out.
That sounds lazy.
You did leave. You said it, son. You said it. I didn't have to. You said it. Let me get this set back here. Boy, I don't lose none of it. Yeah, you said exactly right. You said it exactly right.
Well, Danny, I'm gonna turn this off. You got anything you want to say to young farmers of America?
That's fine. But yeah,
is it worth getting into farming as a young man?
Well, I'll put it this way. You ain't gonna get rich. Cause right now, everything you buy for a farm is outrageous. You go to sell, it's dirt cheap. I hate to say that, but it's
well, that's true.
Huh?
That's true.
That's
true. Lots of wisdom, guys. Danny the Tractor Guru. Thanks for watching.
Get this thing powered back up. Get out of here.